Alright guys, we have a ghost control automatic gate opener. Here are the arms, and the deal is that it gets stuck in this halfway open position. It'll close and then reopen again and then stop at this position. I have a feeling that it's lost its reference point in where the gate positions are, and so the computer here can't figure out, or it believes that the gates are completely closed at this point. What I think we need to do is just turn off the power, turn it back on, let it reload its software, and we should be back in business. Let's give it a test right now before we do that. Okay, let's go through a test. Let's see what's going on with our fence. As you can see, it's opening in its full position. Let's try to close it. Oh, okay, I see it. It appears that the gate has lost its positioning reference, and the gates are not in sync. And one gate should close first, the next gate right behind it, and it's not doing that. And that tells me that most likely the computer here is a little bit confused as to where the position of the gates are. So what I found was, here's the problem. The gates here, from start to stop, it's swinging too much. Okay, that means there's a mechanical problem probably down here at the arms. And let's take another look. Yeah, it's swinging too much. Right now it should be fairly tight. Basically, it should not move but maybe about an inch. And it's like here I'm swinging it open and closed, and everything is nice and tight. If I come over here, yeah, I've got a problem here. The arms are not locked down where they need to be. Or the control panel, I think, is okay. It's just that my mechanical arm here is supposed to be locked down by these brackets, and they're not locked down. If you'll notice, you see that bolt there, it's moving back and forth. I'll probably need to tighten that guy up. Okay, I've tightened down this bolt here. I've also put I tightened it a little bit here. This is retightened again. And then I put a strap right here, and basically that thing should fix our problem. The gate is no longer swinging as much as it was before. This should then help the computers here, the circuits, understand where the position is of the gates. Let's give it a shot. Let's see what happens. Let's open it up. And there it is. That gate's open, that gate's open. Let's try closing them. Here comes the right gate. Left gate is right behind it. And there it goes. And it's in the locked position now. Gates cannot be opened at this point. The locking bolt is in place. If you can see it, there it is. All right, I think we're done. Everything's been adjusted. Now I just need to put my covers back on. This ghost control system and the ghost arms. Everything seems to be functioning properly now. Everything's adjusted. We are set to go. Please like and subscribe. If you like these types of home improvements, home repair type videos, it helps out the channel if you'll subscribe, like the channel. If you have any questions, just comment below. Thanks.